What happens when the power of the presidency goes too far? Can one person's actions shape the fate of a nation? From Watergate to the Capitol riots, we're about to explore the most controversial moments in US presidential history. Join us as we rank the presidents by controversy and uncover the scandals that shook America. Controversy is often subjective, but when it comes to the presidency, certain actions stand out. We'll examine scandals, abuses of power, and decisions that sparked public outrage. But first, let's ask, what makes a president controversial? Is it their policies, personal life, or how they handle crises? Andrew Jackson's presidency was marked by one of the darkest chapters in US history, the Indian Removal Act. This policy led to the Trail of Tears, where thousands of Native Americans were forcibly relocated, resulting in countless deaths. As historian Roxanne Dunbar-Ortiz notes, the Trail of Tears was a genocide. But how does this compare to other controversies? Woodrow Wilson, often praised for his progressive policies, also implemented segregation in federal offices. This move was a significant step backward for civil rights. As W.E.B. Du Bois wrote, Wilson was a Southerner and he was a segregationist. How do we reconcile his progressive image with these regressive actions? Richard Nixon's presidency ended in scandal with Watergate. The cover-up led to his resignation, marking a turning point in public trust. As Bob Woodward said, Watergate was a constitutional crisis. But was Nixon's downfall more about the crime or the cover-up? Bill Clinton's presidency was marred by the Lewinsky affair, leading to his impeachment. While he was acquitted, the scandal left a lasting impact on his legacy. As historian Doris Kearns Goodwin noted, the personal and public lives of presidents are intertwined. How does this compare to other personal scandals in US history? Donald Trump's presidency was marked by unprecedented controversy, including 2 impeachments and the January 6th Capitol riot. His presidency highlighted deep divisions in America. As journalist Sarah Kendzior wrote, Trump's presidency was a symptom of a larger disease. How do these controversies rank compared to those of his predecessors? Now let's rank these presidents by controversy. We consider public backlash, ethical implications, and long-term impact. Andrew Jackson's Indian Removal Act, Woodrow Wilson's segregation, Nixon's Watergate, Clinton's impeachment, and Trump's divisive presidency all have their place. But who tops the list? We spoke with historians to gain deeper insights into these controversies. Each president's actions reflect the times they lived in, says historian Nell Irvin Painter. But some actions transcend time, causing lasting damage. How do these controversies shape our understanding of leadership and power? As we conclude our journey through the controversies of US presidents, we're left with a question. What makes a leader great, and when does power go too far? The answer lies in accountability and the public's willingness to challenge authority. As Abraham Lincoln once said, "Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth." Let's ensure that remains true.